Here we have a Flex Module Mini, and this is the LTA Cat 18 version. Let's see what comes in the box. We've got some Peplink Velcro. We've got the module itself. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cellular antennas, a plate, and some screws. So let's have a closer look at the module itself. Here it is. We've got 4 antenna connections. These are SMAs. And then we've got a SIM cover which has got 2 slots A and B in there. So this is the Cat 18 version, hence why we've got 4 cellular connections. And it's got this plate on at the moment. Now that plate, let me see if I've got one around here somewhere. That plate fits the Balance 20X, which is this one, see? That's going to go on there like that. So we undo those 4 screws and then swap it over. But as you can see, it comes with another plate in the box, which you can swap over by undoing those 3 screws there. And that plate fits the Balance 310 and the Balance 380X and the 580X. Yeah. And there we are. That's what comes in the box.